Question number 1. 100 rupee note is signed by. Correct answer is option C, RBI Governor. Question number 2. Bank having maximum number of branches in India. Correct answer is option B, State Bank of India. Question number 3. Bank does not give loan against. Correct answer is option C, lottery ticket. Question number 4. We should keep our savings with banks because. Correct answer is option D, all of above. Question number 5. Who regulates the function of banks in India? Correct answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a function of bank? Correct answer is option B, issuing currency. Question number 7. What is the minimum age required to open a saving account independently? Correct answer is option D, 10 years. Question number 8. Which bank is known as the Bankers Bank? Correct answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 9. The interest rate on savings accounts in banks is decided by. Correct answer is option B, individual banks. Question number 10. Which of the following instruments cannot be negotiated in a bank? Correct answer is option C, currency notes. Question number 11. In India, which of the following banks was the first to introduce ATMs? Correct answer is option C, HSBC Bank. Question number 12. What does CRR stand for in banking? Correct answer is option B, cash reserve ratio. Question number 13. The concept of priority sector lending is mandated by. Correct answer is option B, RBI. Question number 14. The main sources of income for banks is. Correct answer is option A, interest on loans. Question number 15. What is the full form of NEFT in banking? Correct answer is option A, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Question number 16. Who issue Kisan credit cards? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 17. Which of the following is not an asset of a bank? Correct answer is option B, fixed deposits. Question number 18. A customer who wants to deposit cash exceeding 50,000 in a bank must furnish. Correct answer is option C, PAN. Question number 19. Which is the apex bank for agriculture and rural development in India? Correct answer is option B, NABARD. Question number 20. The interest earned on fixed deposits is taxable if it exceeds. Correct answer is option B, 40,000 per annum. Question number 21. Which bank introduced the concept of anytime banking in India? Correct answer is option C, ICICI Bank. Question number 22. The largest public sector bank in India is. Correct answer is option D, State Bank of India. Question number 23. Which scheme was launched to provide housing loans to the urban poor in India? Correct answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Question number 24. The main purpose of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is. Correct answer is option B, financial inclusion. Question number 25. What does RTGS stand for? Correct answer is option A, real-time gross settlement. Question number 26. What is the minimum deposit insurance provided by DICG for each depositors? Correct answer is option B, 5 lakh. Question number 27. The currency notes in India are printed by. Correct answer is option C, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India. Question number 28. What is the minimum balance required for opening a Jan Dhan account? Correct answer is option C, 0. Question number 29. Which of the following is a negotiable instrument? Correct answer is option B, check. Question number 30. Which of the following is not part of the financial sector reforms in India? Correct answer is option B, increase in CRR and SLR. Question number 31. Which committee is associated with banking reforms in India? Correct answer is option B, Narasimham Committee. Question number 32. What is the full form of IFSC? Correct answer is option A, Indian Financial System Code. Question number 33. Which of the following is an example of a scheduled bank? Correct answer is option B, State Bank of India. Question number 34. The banking service available to customers 24/7 is called. Correct answer is option C, Internet banking. Question number 35. Which type of account is primarily meant for daily transactions? Correct answer is option A, current account. Question number 36. Which of the following is a financial intermediary? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 37. What does PSL stand for in banking? Correct answer is option A, priority sector lending. Question number 38. Which of these is not a negotiable instrument? Correct answer is option C, fixed deposit receipt. Question number 39. Which bank was merged with the State Bank of India in 2017? Correct answer is option B, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Question number 40. The main objective of demonetization in 2016 was to. Correct answer is option B, reduce corruption and counterfeit currency. Question number 41. Which type of loan is given by a bank without requiring collateral? Correct answer is option B, personal loan. Question number 42. Which of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option B, lending money to the public. Question number 43. Which government scheme provides accidental insurance with a nominal premium? Correct answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Question number 44. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is located in. Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 45. The term repo rate refers to. Correct answer is option A, the rate at which RBI lends money to banks. Question number 46. A check that is outdated is called. Correct answer is option C, stale check. Question number 47. Which of the following instruments is used for international trade transactions? Correct answer is option A, letter of credit. Question number 48. Which of these is not a payment app in India? Correct answer is option D, Visa. Question number 49. The term SLR in banking stands for. Correct answer is option A, statutory liquidity ratio. Question number 50. Which of these is not a type of bank account? Correct answer is option D, treasury account.